Alright, good day everyone. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to solve issue with your website showing error establishing database connection. Okay, so most of the times you get this issue when your database username or password is not connected properly to your website, or but that is just the basic issue. That's just the basic issue. So this is how to solve it. You first log into your cPanel account in HarmonWeb. So once you log into your cPanel account, you go to your file manager here. Let's see, and I'm having a bad network. Okay, so sorry. So you go to wp-config.php. Let's see something. It's very simple. You just follow the steps. So this is the database username, and it is the password. Sorry, and the password. So all you need to do is this. Let's change the password. The username is correct here. Let's change the password, and that's to just come under MySQL database, and this is the database we are using for it. As you can see, 566. Let's see, yeah, 566. So let's change the password. So change the password for the database username. So I will advise you just use this password generator and copy it. Copy here, Ctrl C to copy, and click here. I have copied the password in the safe place, or well, then use password. So change your password. So once it's saved, go back to this and change the password here. Password here. Clear it and paste the one you copied, and click on save changes. Now let's visit our website, and if it doesn't work, then we're going to try this. Okay, so it worked. So that's how to solve the issue with your website showing error establishing database connection. If you have seen this error after changing your password and username and still showing this error, you can just reach us by opening a support ticket, and we're going to help you fix it. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thanks.